This is the GardenJoy 21-volt cordless drill set. It comes in a heavy-duty carrying case that holds all of these items. The instruction manual, I don't know what this is. All of these steel bits, which are the twist drills, screwdriver heads, and hex sockets. Here is the AC adapter to charge the 2 battery packs, and some more twist drills. A flexible shaft driver, which I may not ever use, but it's there. A box of screws and anchors, and then here are the 2 battery packs, which are easy to attach to the drill. So for this example, I'm using the drill to put together a bed for my bunnies.
First off, love the magnetic bit holder so I don't lose a screw. Also, the light when you drill is a nice option. The handle is comfortable to hold and I can get a nice solid grip. It has the reverse function as well if you need to get a screw out. I've always wanted my own cordless drill set for tasks and projects around the house, and this one does not disappoint.